Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Matt Anthony IT, and here we have the green vegetable, and this is called the water leaf. These water leaf are very common during the rainy season, most especially for those farmers that are into different types of crop production. And as you can see it, you can use the mobile seedbed to cultivate this type of green vegetable. Seeing this, it makes you to work very well and to produce even more with the soil. The soil can be a mixture of organic manure and some other soil components. Here we have the seed of the water leaf. The seed can grow up in as much as you take good care of the green vegetable, and in view of this, the flower comes in between the seed. The leaves also will bring more attractiveness to the farmer and also to the consumer as well. The seed comes in two color. We have the white color, which represents the premature stage of the seed, and we have the black seed, which also represents the full maturity state of the water leaf. And this type of green vegetable is consumable for different stages of human being. That is, all levels of human being can consume.